Hi, I'm Matt Bowe with Allaire Homes Hunt Country at our Lake Anna custom build. In this video, I want to talk about some of the challenges we faced on this site. And while everything looks great now, one of the things we had to overcome was the original elevation here on this site. Where I'm standing now, grade was actually 6 to 8 feet higher. If you look back at the bank behind us, you can see where grade originally was. And the owner's goal was to get the house as low as possible, so there was an easy walk down to the lake with not a lot of steps, which is often what you encounter down here in Lake Anna. And so we had to develop a site plan to cut 8 foot off this whole area here where the house sits. And then fortunately, we were able to redistribute most of that because the long driveway out to the road, there was a lot of up and down rolling of the land that we had to equalize so we could have a navigable, easily drivable driveway approach. And that was a real challenge. Now, the other thing here is that because the owner wanted this house as low as possible, so there wasn't a steep climb down to the lake, and they wanted a basement, that was difficult because we were getting into the water table with that. And so we had to have our engineers design a very custom foundation system that included a monolithic slab pour, keyways, sealant membranes, foundation drain systems, a whole kind of new and custom assembly to make sure that if the water table rises here because the utility chooses to raise the lake level, which they can, and that water table rises and comes up against the house, we've created a foundation system that's pretty special to combat rising water table. So as a custom home builder, we love a good challenge. There's nothing we'll shy away from, and our particular strength is knowing how to put together the right team to tackle things that are unusual and custom to any particular job. If you'd like to learn more about working with Allaire Homes Hunt Country or want to talk to us about a project you have in mind, please check out our website,